AP Hong Kong. After an unknown number of workers were quarantined in the plant following a virus outbreak, workers in a manufacturing facility in the central Chinese city of Zhengzhou appear to have left to avoid COVID-19 curbs, with many walking on foot for days. Videos of employees lugging their luggage along the road while reportedly working for Foxconn were spreading on Chinese social media sites. One of the biggest facilities in China that assembles items for Apple Incorporated, including its most recent iPhone 14 gadgets, is the Foxconn facility in Zhengzhou, Henan province. A request for comment from Foxconn did not receive a prompt response. For the Foxconn employees, volunteers from neighboring communities set out food and beverages. One of these volunteers, who wished to remain anonymous and go by the surname Zhang, was assigned the responsibility of distributing the supplies that his hamlet in the Xinjiang County had prepared. He claimed that the individuals he captured on camera were Foxconn employees because they would have to travel down that road to leave the building. He shared the film to the short video sharing website Douyin. Following news that Foxconn had quarantined a number of employees due to a COVID-19 outbreak in the factory, the workers left. According to news reports from earlier this week, a closed-loop system had been put in place in the facility, limiting workers' travels to those between their homes and the plant. In light of mounting worries that the virus may be spreading, local media reports stated that Foxconn employees complained of poor food quality and a lack of medical care for those who tested positive. Additionally, the business refuted reports that 20,000 workers at the plant had COVID-19 infections. Since then, municipalities close to Zhengzhou have advised Foxconn employees to notify the authorities if they have any intentions of going back to their hometowns so that they can receive the proper isolation. A day after videos of employees leaving the facility went viral, Foxconn and a number of local governments have also set up transportation for workers who want to go back home. How much control the employees actually had over their decision to leave the factory is unclear. Foxconn employees' departure from the Zhengzhou facility reveals the rising unhappiness with China's zero-COVID strategy, in which governments try to end outbreaks by enforcing stringent isolation and lockdown procedures where illnesses are discovered.